Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
On a Ford Edge with an 8-speed automatic, paddle shifters let you control gear changes without a clutch. Place the gear lever into sport or manual mode to enable paddles and override automatic shifts. The right paddle upshifts and the left paddle downshifts. A single tap changes one gear, while holding a paddle will quickly move through gears if RPMs permit. For smooth transitions, upshift near 3,000 RPM in normal driving. Downshift to around 2,000 RPM when you need engine braking or quicker throttle response. When driving, use short taps on the paddles to change one gear at a time for controlled acceleration or deceleration. Holding a paddle will sequentially shift through gears, useful for passing or steep hills, but monitor RPM to avoid over-revving. Downshift to roughly 2,000 RPM to add engine braking when approaching corners or descending grades. This reduces brake wear and improves control. To return to fully automatic shifting, simply move the gear lever back to drive and let the transmission manage gear selection and fuel efficiency. For safe paddle use, always monitor the tachometer and avoid downshifting into the red line to prevent engine damage. If a paddle feels loose, sticky, or unresponsive, schedule a check of the steering wheel switches and the shift-by-wire system because electrical faults or worn contacts can impair operation. In heavy traffic or long commutes, favor automatic mode to reduce fatigue. Reserve paddle control for targeted maneuvers like overtakes, launch control practice, or spirited driving on open roads while obeying speed limits and local laws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.